How to move a task to another list on ClickUp. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. This is going to be a very simple process yet very powerful if you just want to move things around, and ClickUp does actually offer this very easy way to do so. So let's just go and get to it. So we have this working space, which is testing space, and then we also have three different lists here, and we just want to move around the tasks between them. It is very simple, so let's just go and get started with the first list here, and let's just go ahead and create a few tasks. So let's just name them task 1, task 2, and task 3. So let's say I just wanted to keep the first one here. Task 2 is going to go for list 2, and task 3 is going to go for list 3. Now, very easily, just go to task 2. Let's say we wanted to move this to list 2, as I said. So just hover over it and just go to the right side, and you will see these three dots here. Just go and click on them, and you will find a bunch of options here that you can, click on. The one that we want to use is not duplicate. This is another method that we can also use, but it's not the more authentic one, which is going to be actually moving the file, or task I should say, to another list, which is the option to move. So just go and click on move, and then here it's actually going to ask you to which workspace do you want to move it, and to which list do you want to move it. So like I said, I'm just going to move task 2 to list 2 within the testing space. So we can just go ahead and move this right down here, and you can see already it is gone from this list. So let's just go ahead and do the same thing for task 3, but instead of going from the right side here, go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you should find at the top here, move task. So right next to the list name, you should find move task at the top. If you click on that, it's also going to provide you with the same steps. Select the other list and wait for it, and it should be gone. So now we can actually go ahead and go to list number 2, and we should find that the task is over there. And we can also go for list number 3, and we can see that the task is over here. So this is pretty much what you need to do in order to be moving things around. And it's not going to just work within one workspace. You can actually go and move them between workspaces. So if you just create a list in here, so let's just call it that real quick and click on create, and let's just go and create a task real quick. Name it 1. Okay, so let's say we want to move this to the other workspace. We can just do it from here. Click on 3 dots, move, go to team workspace or team space. Make sure you view all the list items. Click on that, and it is gone, and it should be down here. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.